In this episode, we'll be making this guilt-free, high-protein, low-calorie chocolate truffles. They're incredibly easy to make using only 4 ingredients, one of which is tofu. Yes, you heard that right. They're rich, velvety, and creamy, and they have that perfect melt-in-your-mouth texture and all the qualities of a classic chocolate truffle. Now, if you're ready, let's get started. To start, place a sieve over a mixing bowl. Next, take 120 grams of silken tofu and using a spoon, pass it through a sieve. To cook the tofu, microwave it in a microwave-safe bowl for 1 minute. Let cool while we work on the next procedure. Next, we'll need 44 grams of dark chocolate. I prefer intense dark chocolate with a hint of bitterness, so I chose 78% dark chocolate. You can adjust this to your liking. Microwave the chocolates in 30-second intervals until they are completely melted. Then add the melted chocolate into the tofu mixture. Then add 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, or adjust it to your liking. Mix well. This is the consistency you're looking for, a thick cookie dough-like texture. If it's a bit too wet, you can add more cocoa to firm it up, or simply place it in the fridge to solidify slightly before molding it into balls. Place a piece of saran wrap or a silicone mat on your working surface. Then evenly sprinkle some cocoa powder onto it. Then take a small chunk of the chocolate dough and lightly dust it with cocoa powder. Shape them into small balls with your hands. After all the balls are formed, roll in cocoa powder. And there you are, the perfect guilt-free chocolate truffle made in less than 15 minutes. Lastly, chill in the fridge until ready to serve, or you can eat it immediately.
Wow, it is so rich, so creamy, silky. It's just like a real chocolate truffle. It's weird to me because it's made out of tofu, but you cannot taste the tofu. It's so rich, it's unbelievable. Highly recommend this. And if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm sure you also enjoy these videos here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.